girl, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing the new BOXYCHARM. It's going to be the BOXYCHARM October. I thought I would change the scenery here and do a little video by my spooky bookshelf. Ooh, just to add to the October Halloween spookiness. So I probably look like a mess right now. Kiki, is that you? Hey girl, she back there on that haunted house. We just got home. It's like, I don't know, 8 or 9 o'clock. We've been gone all day. And this is like the first time I'm getting to look at this. And I'm really excited about it. I'm hoping it's like Halloween themed. I don't know, I'm just assuming, I'm just hoping. But I don't know, we'll see. So this is gonna be an unboxing. Alright, let's pull out the card first and see. Oh, cutesy. Okay, so this is candy themed. It's called the Candy Shop. Hello, girl. Okay, so before I get started, I want to say that I did receive this complimentary from BOXYCHARM for a review. So this was gifted by BOXYCHARM, just so you know. So BOXYCHARM is a subscription service that delivers a box of full-size goodies to your door every month. They always have like a little theme. Like I said, this one is the Candy Shop, and this box is $25. They have some other boxes as well that go up in price, but you get like more products or whatever. But this is just the $25 one, okay? So anyway, the first product we have here is called Frank Body Glow Mask, and it's caffeinated. And this retails for $21. It's a moisturizing face mask. It's natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. Okay, girl, I'm into that. I need some of that. So this is what it looks like. I'll probably be trying that out tonight because my skin, girl, it's been so dry lately. Mix the sunshine with a little dehydration and you got me. Okay. Don't smell like nothing, but that's alright. It's probably better that way. But anyway, so yeah, it's a face mask. Oh my gosh. Did I really just get a Versali product? I love Versali products. Oh my god. This is the Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. I can't believe I got this. This is like everything. Okay, so this actually retails for $24. It helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid, that pro vitamin B5. Ooh, it's gonna make me look softer than ever before. Y'all gonna see me looking soft in my next video, y'all. This is some good stuff. I'm so happy I got that. Let's set this back here. All right. Next up, we got a vehicle going in the background. They're out there racing and whatnot. Okay, so we got an Ace Beauté Draw It lip liner. This is the packaging. This is pretty. It's baby pink. And the color is, oh, it's nude, okay. You can't see that on my hand, can you? But there it is. Ooh, why did my hand look like that? Looking a little spooky there. Okay, oh, did it come with 2? Hey, this came with 2. Okay, so these 2 retail for $16. Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in. So we can use this as a lipstick also. And it came with 2. That's so awesome. Oh, did I show you the other color? I actually didn't show you the other color. That was so rude of me. But it's actually kind of like a red. Red is beautiful, but red is not my color. So I'm going to be using that nude one, and I'm going to be passing on the red. Sorry about that. Okay, next up, what is this? Grown Alchemist Matte Balancing Moisturizer, Acai Berry. Okay. Oh, this retails for $69, girlfriend. So this is like the most expensive thing in the box. And so it's a moisturizer that hydrates facial skin while balancing the skin's oil levels, leaving skin with a matte finish. Oh. Wow. I'm hearing some creepy noises outside. It sounds like a dying cow. I don't know what that is out there. It's kind of scary, but I guess it's going along with my spooky Halloween theme. Oh, all right. Oopsie, I put the lid on wrong. Let's try this out. Okay, this feels nice. I can't wait to use this. Actually, I've been needing a new moisturizer. I'm always using oils and like, I don't use that much moisturizer on my face, so this is gonna be good for me, honey. All right, so last but not least, oh, how cute. So this palette is from Pretty Vulgar. I've had their palettes before. They have some really cute stuff, really nice eyeshadows. But this is a face palette and it's called the Nesting Bee Face. How cute. Okay, and this retails for $32. So if this is a face palette, so this isn't gonna be eyeshadow. Look how cute that cover is though. That's adorable. So, oh wow, okay. Listen to these names: Glimmer of BS, Son of a Bee, Mirror Mirror, Sunkissed Snitch, Ego, and Hush Blush. Okay, so there's like a mirror up here. It says the definition of a nesting bee face is when you've had resting bee face since birth. Post a side-by-side comparison pic of your young versus current resting bee face using hashtag nesting bee face. That is so funny. Anyway, so you got 6 different colors going on here. There's highlighter, there's bronzers and blushes. And so there's 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. These are so pretty though. These are the colors. So I would love to be doing a try on with these products right now, but I'm ready to go lay down in bed and die, if you know what I'm saying. But look at this. This is a really nice box. If you haven't signed up yet, I would say go ahead and do so now, because this is really, this is actually some good skincare products. If you're not into like a lot of makeup or eyeshadow palettes, okay, this ain't gonna stand up, so I'm gonna set it right there. This would be the box for you. This is like actually perfect. You get a little blush, a little bronzer, a little highlighter in one palette. You get a moisturizer, face mask, serum, and the lip. This is nice. I'm really glad I got this one. That's awesome. So yeah, this is the candy shop, and everybody gets a different box. Like if you've never tried BOXYCHARM yet, everyone kind of gets a different variation. I got number 72 this time, in case you were wondering. And yeah, I love it so much. This box is awesome. I cannot wait to try this stuff. I can't believe I got a for Sally product. This company, these are good people. If you don't follow them yet, you should follow them on social media. I follow the, it's a husband and wife. They're adorable. Yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my BOXYCHARM or October BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is what I got. Like I said, I got number 72, and I got some good stuff. Like, I'm not complaining about anything in this box. Not even that red lip liner, even though I'm not a fan of red, and I'm probably not gonna use it, but someone else will. I'm gonna find somebody who will. But this is good stuff. It's all keepers. But anyways, okay. Give this video a like if you like it. Leave me some comments down below. Did you get your BOXYCHARM yet? If so, what did you get differently than mine? And what do you think of these products? I think these are really awesome. This is adorable though. Look at that vintage look there. This is something that should be up on display. It's so cute. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're already subscribed, then thank you. I love you. Hi, I'm zooming in on my fresh new pimples for you. I actually did want to test this out really quick. I'm so sorry that it's so close out. Oh, okay. My lips are probably a little crusty right now. gosh, should not be this close to my face. Can you step back, please? Oh! It comes with a sharpener too, that's awesome. Anyway, I can't even see myself right now. I'm so doing this blindly. So, hopefully it looks really good. I've lost it. Oh, I look beautiful! I'm kidding. I don't. Oh, okay. Here we go. I'll use this one. Oh yeah, so this is a nice nude color. I like this, girl. I like this. This is going on real smooth, too. It's a little darker than what I would wear, actually, but it ain't that bad. I like it. I'm gonna wear it. I'm going to wear it. Okay, that's a little sharpener there. Okay, I decided to be cool and just try these really quick. So I got a little, this brush is from Luxy. It's a 512 contouring brush, small contouring brush. So I figured I was gonna pick up some of this bronzer. I wanted to see what this would look like. I'm gonna be washing my face in a minute anyway, so don't pay attention to if it needs to be blended, because, yeah. I'm washing my face, so it's no big deal. But I just wanted to show you like the color that it shows up. I look beautiful. Okay, so this one is the Sun-Kissed Snitch, and this one is the Son of a Bee. I really like this one. This is probably way too dark for me. Probably need to blend that out a little bit. I just said I wasn't gonna blend it, but okay, hi. Anyway, all right, next, ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on Mirror Mirror. And then we're gonna put Hush Blush over here. I'll look like a baby doll. Yeah, those colors, that's like really, really pigmented. Really pigmented, and I really like that. Can you tell? Okay, let's go ahead and try on the Glimmer of BS for a highlighter. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. I look so, so crazy right now. And then this Ego, it's like gold. I don't really know what I would do with that. I'd probably maybe use it as an eyeshadow or something. All right, let's put a little up here. Ooh, that's a highlighter. Girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's like a bronzy highlighter on me. But anyway, all right, let's blend this out. That is so crazy. It's so colorful. That's a good blush though. I like this. She's a keeper. All right, I'll quit harassing y'all with my craziness, and I'll end this video right here.